We outside.
Here we go.
That's true. Is that right? She sippin' more wet and yeah, I swear get her wild. My Louboutins news on my bottom say.
YouTube, what is up? I know it's dark, but I'm in my first car meet. It is so lit out here. I grew up loving cars, bruh. And we here. This is lit. Oh man. Popped his tire. Yeah. Bro, he popped both his back tires. It's clear. I'm glad I got my mask. That smoke is ugly. Right down.
Y'all here, Fast and Furious. Nigga, don't turn over there, but I get up John
They threw a smoke bomb up there, man. Back in the car.
As you didn't wake up though, cause you dead, bro.
And I can't swim, so like. This remind me of like GTA. It's cool though. Oh nah. You got the tank on fire. Oh. Everybody leaving.
Bless you, bro.
Everybody leaving. Time to go. They talking about some spot 7 at 3.
Them niggas here till 6 a.m.
Alright. What's going on, YouTube? We back. Yeah, after those last few clips, it really kind of like died down or whatever. So everybody just decided to, you know, go home and stuff like that. Honestly, they said they have like 10 more other locations. We was only at the third one. That would have been wild. But yeah, this was super spontaneous. Like, it was my boy Matt's birthday. Happy birthday to you, bro. And yeah, that's what we ended up doing. I have to go upstairs, change, and chill probably. Actually, I'm gonna go to my girlfriend's house. But yeah, that being said, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. All right, I love y'all. Peace.